This is the Mekoh snow foam cannon for Kärcher K series pressure washers. And when I saw the price of this foam cannon, when Mekoh asked me to review it, I was more than a little sceptical. As with most things in life, with foam cannons you generally get what you pay for. But if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a foam cannon, do you really need to compromise and accept poorly designed products? Unfortunately, the answer is no, you certainly do not. I've tested foam cannons that leak or drip, ones that are made from cheap plastic materials, ones with bottles which are unstable or have necks so narrow that it's a struggle to pour your detergent into them. One was so narrow it even came supplied with a funnel. And they produce a thin, watery foam which soon runs off the car. This is the foam produced by the Mekoh, using exactly the same snow foam and concentration. It's a massive difference, isn't it? So why was this foam cannon so surprisingly good? One of the key features is highlighted on the box, the orifice size. A 1.1mm orifice is ideal for lower powered pressure washers, and it helps to produce thicker, aerated foam that clings to the side of the car. The detergent bottle has a wide base, so it's more stable than most. It's also made from high density polyethylene, so it's drop resistant, and it's got graduations on the side. These are every 100ml up to the 1 litre capacity of the bottle, and they're really useful if you're diluting your snow foam mix. Unlike most cheap foam cannons, the Mekoh bottle also has a nice wide mouth, which makes filling it a lot easier. Another nice little design feature is the shaped and textured grip, which means you're much less likely to drop it if it's wet. The pickup tube is made from soft silicone. It pushes onto the base of the nozzle, and again it seems really well designed. It's flexible and easily long enough to reach the bottom of the bottle, and it's got this really nice feature, a mesh filter on the end of the pickup tube which will stop any contaminants getting sucked up, which could potentially block the nozzle. Unlike a lot of other cheap foam cannons which have plastic nozzles, all the internal parts of the Mekoh nozzle are metal, so it should be more robust and you can take it apart if you ever need to clean it. This foam cannon is designed for Karcher pressure washers, so on one end of the nozzle you've got the Karcher bayonet fitting, so you can fit it directly onto the gun of Kärcher K series pressure washers. The Karcher fitting can also be used to connect to the increasingly popular range of AutoGlym pressure washers as well. If you want to use it on a quick connect stubby gun, you'll have to use an adapter. The other end of the nozzle contains two metal jaws. These control the fan width of the foam, and the jaws can be opened and closed by twisting the housing. The closer the jaws are together, the wider the spray fan. I normally adjust them until they're 2 or 3mm apart, and this gives me a spray fan of about 30 degrees, which is what I prefer. The thickness of the foam can be controlled using the blue nozzle on the top. It's about halfway. Turning it fully clockwise gives you the thickest foam. It also uses the most detergent. The snow foam I used for this test was AutoGlym Polar Blast, using the recommended 1:5 ratio. That's 1 part snow foam to 5 parts water. And the Mekoh foam cannon did an excellent job. Covered the car with a thick, even coat of foam that adhered well even on the vertical surfaces like the doors. While I finish off the rest of the car, if you're finding this video useful, could I ask you to please consider subscribing to Big Ted's Home and Garden? It costs you absolutely nothing, but it does make a big difference to small channels like mine. Thanks. So if we look at the foam afterwards, you can see we've got that lovely thick shaving foam consistency. Even after a few minutes there was still plenty of snow foam adhered to the car. This was after a good 5 minutes and just before I rinsed it off. So the Mekoh snow foam cannon gets a big thumbs up for me. It's really well designed, and for under £20 on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description below, I think it's outstanding value for money. Mekoh did supply this foam cannon for review, but like all my reviews, this review is totally independent. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. I'll see you soon.